Do you know why you're still not accessing the true source of wealth and prosperity like Solomon did? He understood the secret of the universe, hidden between the lines of sacred books. And what if I told you that, by uncovering this secret, your life could transform dramatically, like a miracle, in just 7 days? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and prosperity, even when facing challenges, while others, despite all the opportunities, can't move forward? The secret lies beyond what the eyes can see. Solomon, the wisest man of all time, understood this secret, and today I'm going to show you how it can transform your life. Let's dive in and discover how you can use King Solomon's secret to quickly transform your life, shifting the power of your thoughts to free yourself from negativity and attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. What happens when we create from survival emotions like fear, competition, or anxiety? The process becomes slow and draining. With every step, you feel like you're forcing, struggling to achieve something. It's like trying to change the physical world with your bare hands. But when Solomon discovered the secret, he realized that true creation begins in a different place. You need to shift your focus. As long as you're thinking about and suffering from debts, student loans, the mortgage, and all the material scarcity you're facing, more of that will return to you in different forms at an alarming speed. Solomon began to live and feel as if he was in the future, not stuck in the past, filled with resentment and grudges, not trapped in the present energy of poverty and lack, but in the future. He shifted the focus of his lens. He didn't think about gold. He just desired what he wanted, regardless of whether he needed gold to buy it. He simply looked, desired what he wanted, and felt as if it was already his. This is living in the future. When you free yourself from fear and begin to vibrate in a state of creativity and abundance, transformation happens. Solomon knew this. He knew that to create properly, you need to feel the emotions even before you see the physical manifestation. It's the energy field that creates matter, not the other way around. Solomon freed himself from negative feelings and frustrations trapped in his heart. He practically killed the victim that lived within him and began to live in a future time, even though he was still in the present. Positive thinking alone isn't enough. When your heart and mind are in coherence, understand that your body carries your feelings and your mind carries your thoughts. Both need to think and feel together. It's like connecting to a divine Wi-Fi signal. Your heart sends a signal that it's safe to create, and your brain responds. The energy of the heart informs the brain to enter alpha wave states, and this connection strengthens your thoughts of abundance. I've been through this too. I used to think abundance came only from effort and accumulation, but I realized it wasn't about the things I achieved. It was about how I felt inside. When I started changing my thoughts and emotions, abundance began to flow into my life in unexpected ways. Just like Solomon, I realized that true abundance comes from within, and when you align with this frequency of gratitude and abundance, the universe responds. I know it feels hard to be grateful for the life you have when the fridge is empty, or when the bills keep piling up and the fear of unemployment haunts your thoughts at night. But at that exact moment, you need to step out of the present, forget the past, and project yourself as if you're living in the future. Do you want a new car? Then put on your best clothes, feel rich and prosperous, and go to the dealership. Walk in, talk, and act like you have plenty of money, even with no money in your wallet. Visit all your dream cars without restriction. Don't let the feeling of lack interfere with this vibrational moment. Take a test drive as if you're buying the car. Feel like King Solomon, who simply desired and felt like it was already his, no matter how much gold he needed to get what he wanted. The secret is simple but powerful. You need to feel it before you see it. In the quantum field, emotion comes before manifestation. If you're waiting for something to happen to feel grateful, you're stuck in the three-dimensional model of cause and effect. But when you feel abundance before you see it, the universe begins to align circumstances so that this reality materializes. If you're vibrating at the frequency of lack, the thought of wealth will never reach your body. But when you practice gratitude, even for what hasn't happened yet, you align yourself with the future you desire. The hardest part is letting go of old thought patterns. But when you make a firm decision and align with your abundant future, the universe responds with synchronicities, as if saying, "You're on the right path." So I challenge you. Over the next 7 days, practice feeling the abundance you desire and watch how the universe begins to change around you. Understand that your mind is like a computer that needs to be reprogrammed, and your emotions are like muscles that need to be trained. That's how I started reshaping my life. And believe me, incredible miracles began to happen. Solomon discovered the secret to accessing true prosperity, and now you can too. Don't wait any longer. Align your thoughts and emotions with abundance and start living the transformation. When you change your energy, your life will change too. Subscribe to the channel for more revealing secrets. Share this message with those who need to hear it, and leave your like. Be abundant and generous with the channel. Everything changes when something inside you changes.